Now, somewhere on a planet in the half-world in the Keystone Quadrant, there lived a ranger named Rocket Raccoon, along with his partner Walrus and his lady love, an otter named Lila. They were created to care for the race called the Loonies. Rocky said, I'm going to keep the peace, that's all I know. So one day a guy fell from the sky and started a war and made Rocket cry. Rocket Raccoon shook to his core, only to find the planet was an asylum. Rocket didn't want to fight in this war, but he knew he couldn't live in denial. Rocket found the cure to end this stupid war with the return of the robot and toy maker. Rocky could leave half-world with his lady love Lila, but everyone knew he couldn't take her. Now being a hero, he made lots of foes. The exterminators were Rocket's ex-girlfriends. Ultron, Phalanx, and Thanos, Kraven, and Deadpool wanted to make a hat out of him. Rocket could shoot, and his best friend Groot. Rocket got away every time. Da 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 da. Da 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 Now the situation he was in, he was locked up again and proceeded to plan another escape. And Groot said, I am Groot. And Rocket said, it's not a garbage chute. And you'll disable, I'll get the ship. And if Quill gets that leg, it'll be great. And now Rocket Raccoon need to save the galaxy again, only to find they were trapped under Rohan's boot. But Groot began to grow and protected all of them. His last words, we are Groot. Oh, yeah. Come on, Groody boy. Come on, Groody boy. Story of Rocket there.